Today's recipe blends fresh green beans with an incredible medley of classic flavors from Greece. Greek green bean salad. Welcome to Mediterranean Minutes, the channel where you can learn to eat the Mediterranean way every day. One of my favorite things to do on a hot summer day is to get up extra early and harvest a big bowl of green beans. There's nothing quite like the earthy flavor and crispy crunch of these simple veggies. And when they're paired with classic ingredients from the Greek Mediterranean kitchen, the healthy combination is a salad powerhouse. Today's ingredient covers 3 segments of the Mediterranean plate: beans, vegetables and olive oil, and cheese. So let's get started. My favorite type of cucumber is the small, sweet Persian cuke. They're tender enough that there's no need to peel them. Any type of tomato will do, but I just love the mix of colors and deep flavor of these cherry tomatoes. I'm lucky enough to have a nearby Eastern European grocery that stocks incredibly creamy fresh feta. Look for one that's not too salty. And the treat of the day, fresh green beans from the garden. Just rinse them and trim the stem ends. The trick to bringing out the best fresh flavor and nutrients of summer green beans is to flash boil them in salty water for just a few minutes. Then plunge them into ice cold water to stop the cooking and keep the crunch. The fun part of this salad is that the ingredients themselves create layers of flavor and texture, 2 really important parts of building any good salad. The dressing, it's just a simple vinaigrette, but it's spiced up with the spark of freshly grated garlic. You should end up with about 2 tablespoons when you juice 1 lemon. I'm using a spicy Piqual varietal olive oil today to give the dressing a real boost. Since we just harvested our garlic, I have plenty of fresh cloves on hand, and when you mince press them, the tangy flavor is explosive. Spanish paprika or pimenton may not be Greek, but the dressing is so much better with a little bit of it. Add as much salt and pepper as you'd like, but taste your feta first because it might have all the salty flavor you want. And just like that, we're ready to plate another dish that helps us eat the Mediterranean way every day. I always add the feta last so that it gets lightly coated with the dressing but doesn't break up too much. And I like to leave some pieces to dress the top when I serve it.